The Pencil Case Adventure. In a big blue pencil case lives a brave pencil named Leo. He has many friends. One night, Leo looks around. "Where is Ruben the eraser?" he asks. Ruben is not there. "I must find Ruben," says Leo. He sees Rex the ruler. "Rex, can you help me? We need to cross the desk." Rex is long and strong. "Yes, I can help," says Rex. Leo walks carefully across Rex the ruler. The desk is a big, wide world below. He reaches a tall mountain of books. "Thank you, Rex." Leo shouts. Leo climbs the book mountain. It is a long way to the top. From the top, he sees the whole desk. He sees a lamp and a globe. But he does not see Ruben. Leo slides down the other side of the books. He lands on a white paper field. He sees the Crayon Crew. "Hello," says a red crayon. "We are drawing a rainbow." "Have you seen my friend Ruben?" asks Leo. A blue crayon points with his tip. Yes, he rolls that way, towards the scary metal forest. The metal forest is a cup full of pens and paper clips. It looks dark. Leo is brave. He takes a deep breath and walks inside. "Ruben?" he calls softly. Inside, he hears a small sound. He looks down and sees Ruben. The little eraser is stuck under a big silver paper clip. "Leo, help me," cries Ruben. Leo is strong. He pushes the big paper clip with his pointy tip. He pushes and pushes. The paper clip moves. Ruben is free. "You saved me," says Ruben. Leo and Ruben walk back across the desk. They are safe in the pencil case again. "Adventures are fun with friends," says Leo. And Ruben agrees.